Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be talking about something really important, and that is picking up the right moisturizer for you. The winters are just around the corner and I really wanted to talk about this topic. So without further ado, let's quickly dive in. So now let's go over some do's of picking up the right moisturizer.
First and foremost step is understanding what your skin type is.
If it's normal, dry, combination or sensitive. For example, if you have dry skin, you need to go for a very thick moisturizer which has ceramides, which have glycerin and also hyaluronic acid. If you have oily skin, a lightweight moisturizer which is going to be oil free is going to be ideal for your skin.
If you have sensitive skin, you need to go for a moisturizer
which have natural ingredients like aloe vera and oatmeal, which can help in soothing your skin down. Step number 2 is gonna be, guys, you have to look for the key ingredients in a moisturizer. Your moisturizer should contain the ingredients which are very beneficial for your skin, like hyaluronic acid for hydration, niacinamide for calming the skin down, antioxidants like vitamin C for fighting the free radical changes. So it's really important to study the label before you buy a moisturizer.
Next up, guys, it's really important when you pick a moisturizer for your daytime routine.
You pick a moisturizer which has SPF. So it is going to protect your skin while also it will hydrate your skin, making it look and feel fresh. Next up is going to be doing a patch test. So anytime you pick a moisturizer, especially when you have sensitive and acne prone skin, apply a small amount on the back of your ear or your jawline to see how your skin is going to be reacting if you apply it all over. So guys, the moisturizer that I'm currently being obsessed about is this Dr. Sheth's Ceramides and Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer. It is perfect for this season. It's extremely lightweight and oil-free formula, guys, which gets quickly absorbed in the skin. It has ceramides, which helps in protecting my skin barrier. It is a deeply hydrating formula which provides non-greasy finish, with the balance of ceramides to repair skin's barrier and vitamin C for bright and radiant skin. Also guys, the best part about the brand is it's cruelty free. It has no parabens, no harmful toxins which can harm your skin. The link of the product is gonna be in the description box below. Just go and check it out right now. Now let's move on to don't. So don't ever use same moisturizer in the morning and in the evening, because your daytime moisturizer should have SPF for sun protection, while your nighttime moisturizer can be something which helps in repairing and hydrating your skin overnight. And guys, never use a moisturizer which has SPF at night. It's a big no-no. Next up is gonna be, don't pick a moisturizer solely based on price. Just because a moisturizer is expensive does not make it good for your skin. So make sure you know what your skin type is, and then you check for the ingredients which is going to be really suitable for your skin needs.
Also, do not avoid drugstore brands because they can be as effective as some expensive brand available in the marketplace.
Next up is, guys, don't forget to adjust a moisturizer according to season. Now when it's summers, we need a moisturizer which is a lightweight and hydrating for the skin, but when we are transitioning into the winters, we need a moisturizer which is a little bit thicker for giving your skin that extra hydration that it needs. Next up, guys, do not ever do your moisturizer because it can really clog your pores. So you just need a little bit, apply it all over and you're gonna be good to go. So there you have it. By following these do's and don'ts, you guys will be able to pick the right moisturizer for your skin type. Remember, moisturization is the key to have beautiful, glowing and healthy skin. So make sure that you pick the right one. I hope you really find this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite moisturizer and if all of these tips have helped you guys. And I'll see you guys with next one really soon. Bye bye guys. I love you all so much.